Namaste, welcome to all. Today we'll discuss about implication. It is a compound statement formed by combining two or more simple statements by using a connectivity if and then. If then. Okay. Suppose it is denoted with imply symbol. Suppose P and Q are two statements. Then implication we can write P implies Q. And this condition. What is the condition for implication means? It is false when first statement P is true and the second statement Q is false. That means a true statement cannot imply false statement. In all other cases, it is true. Okay. Let us give some examples. First, we'll give the conditional identity. Okay. If first statement is A plus B plus C is 0, second statement is A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equals to 3ABC. And how we'll write P implies Q, we'll see. If A plus B plus C is 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. This is true, no? Only this is a identity when A plus B plus C is 0. It is a conditional identity that we know. Okay. And here see, why implication, when we'll get implication false? First statement is true. That means A plus B plus C is 0. And second statement is false. That means if you give A cube plus B cube plus C cube is not equal to 3ABC. That is false. Then implication statement will become false, the compound statement. Why? Because if this condition is satisfied, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC only. It can't be, it doesn't equal to 3ABC, it can't happen. A true statement cannot imply false statement. One more good example. If X is a person, if first statement X is a person in Bangalore, second statement Q, X is a person in India, then P implies Q, how we can write? If the person is in Bangalore, then he is in India. Okay. Here also you see, if a first statement is true, if he is in Bangalore, then second statement can be false. He is not in India. That cannot happen, no? A true statement cannot imply false statement. In this way, the implication will work. See. And we'll write a truth table for implication. And we'll check whether it will satisfy commutative property or not. Okay. So P implies Q, I'll write first. Here I have to check first condition P, no? When if first a true statement, if hypothesis true, then the second statement conclusion cannot be false. Only in this case it is false. Remaining all case it is true. Okay. And Q implies P. Now I'll check. Now first statement is QC and the second statement is P. First statement true. True statement cannot imply false statement. So in this case it is false. Remaining all cases it is true. Observe that P implies Q and Q implies P. Are the truth values are identical? No. So P implies Q and Q implies P. They are not equal. Okay. What is your conclusion means? Implication cannot satisfy commutative property. It does not holds good. Thanks for watching.